where I'm going. I don't have a clue where I'm going. Does anyone else know where we're going?
Who put the letters in that order? Who put the letters in the order they're in?
What's wrong, Lizzie?
Who put the letters in that order?
I'm
I think it's time to change everything. You go and look if you're a recipe. For you, it's for letters C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, J, K, L, J, K, L, J, K, L.
That was lovely.
J, K, L, J, K, L.
It's the 1st of December and Edward's mum has got us an advent calendar. Oh, she's got me an advent calendar. I don't know if I have to share it with Edward, but happy 1st of December. Are you there, Edward?
Oui.
What have we just done? Where are we? Where are we trying to get out of? Ah! Edward wants to get out of IKEA as fast as
the
possible.
fucking IKEA parking exit! On s'en va! Se casse!
Happy Christmas. Where are you going, Edward?
I'm going to the hospital one more time
Why are you going to the hospital?
because I broke my finger.
And how did you break your finger? I'm really hoping that Edward does not break his nose today.
Playing rugby.
And how long have you had a broken finger for? And it hasn't gotten any better.
No, it's still moving. I think the bone is.
And how did you break your finger at rugby?
Somebody walk on my head.
They walked on it.
Yeah, with this kind of thing.
Ouch.
I'll take a book and go to the hospital.
So Edward's just been for an x-ray for his hand. We weren't sure whether it was broken, but yeah. So, you've been in pain with good reason.
Yeah, it was a bit painful. It's still painful.
Cheap glass. You guys got the crystal. Cheers. Cheers. Happy Christmas. Driving home for Christmas. Yeah. Tell me about it. Get my feet back on holy ground. So I sing. Now you know you can hear me when I can't go. Do you not know the words? Driving in my car, driving home for Christmas. Driving home for Christmas. That's a memory. You hold it the your end, mister.
Take the call bell in the panel of your house. Sit back, relax, kiss your baby, not light.
it today? Tuesday.
Tuesday.
We're exploring Marseille, and look, we've got this. We're gonna have a little bit of an explore. We're gonna go down the docks as well.
And I have a tree.
Yeah, Edward's he's not just walking around with it for fun. We're actually trying to find a place to recycle the tree. So stay tuned. I'm not sure we can afford any of these.
The one you said, I really like it, Edward. Bam.
Yeah.
I like it too, huh?
Oh my goodness.
This price.
We'll get there. We'll do it. We'll find something. We will. It's just about prevailing. Okay, me and Edward want this one. We said as a joke, this one looks like to be the only one in our price range. So we're hoping these two guys actually come to ask us if we want it for free. Guys? Anyone? No? Okay, so we went down to have a look at the orange boat, and this guy got out the little dinghy, and he was like, do you want it? You want it? So, yeah, this boat, apparently the guy who owns her doesn't want her anymore. He wants to just get rid of her. And apparently there's some things to do on her, obviously, but she's a Dufour 35 foot, which is exactly what we're looking for. I want her. She needs a new home, love. She does. She needs a good scrub. Some repair, I think. But you know what? I think the guy, he just wanted to get rid of her, like completely, because they're paying mooring fees. We had a budget. We could definitely use this budget to like fix her up. And I love the colour as well. Yowza! So Edward's on the phone now. Get some contact details. That looks very serious. I'm a little bit nervous now. But I really like her. She does need a lot of work. But... What's he saying? I have no idea. Look at her. I'm just dying to step on board. Oh. Okay, so we're back from the boat shopping, and oh wow, it's actually really hard. It's really hard to do this. I set a sail date of June. You know, most people take about 2 years to do this, but I mean, waiting longer is not acceptable to me. It's not acceptable. I cannot wait longer than June. That's the plan. We're setting sail in June, and just because things are difficult doesn't mean that they're impossible to achieve. You know, everyone's saying that I can't find a berth in the south of France. It's far too expensive. Be that as it may, maybe it is. But what about an hour east from France or west from France? Anything's possible. It's all about research and looking at your resources and trying. This boat there's some really good priced boats in Marseille. However, the berths are just really expensive, like €30 a day. And then if we go to Brittany to buy a boat, then it's like, okay, well, we're going to have to move to Brittany. I mean, I believe that we can just, I don't know, find a berth up in Brittany, because apparently the berths are quite cheap, and carry on with our lives in Marseille until we're ready to move north and work on the boat. Because, you know, it's not just about me. Edward's got things that he wants to do and that he wants to achieve. you have to think about 2 people. This is for 2 people, right? So it's tricky because, you know, I'm in a country with a language that I don't really understand. Well, learn the language. Well, I wish I could, okay? But to fluently talk to someone about a boat in perfect French is quite hard. So I need to do all the emails, I need to research berths, I need to translate everything. I need to talk to people to see if they've got any open berths who know me and they would like to give me a free berth just for a few months while we work on the boat. And then it's tricky. I don't know whether just to do this in Britain. I know Britain, I understand Britain, and I understand English people. I know where I stand. I can speak their lingo. You got me? So the guy that came out the dinghy, he said that the old geezer who owns that particular boat wants to get rid of it. He doesn't know what to do with it, he says. He just wants to get rid of it. Imagine all of that in a really thick French accent, okay? So we were like, oh, that's so awesome. So the guy was talking to us, all sounds excellent. They're just trying to get rid of it for free. I'll take it off your hands for free. I'll take it, please. And then we went to the captain at the port control and we spoke with him and he was like, you know, these berths they're an investment really. I mean, it must say you either have money or you don't have money. Rich people, they just get a shitty little boat and they put it in a berth just to keep the berth. Because if you don't have a boat in the berth, then you lose it. These berths are like thousands and thousands of pounds in Marseille. The south of France, the price to be a sailor in Marseille is ridiculous. It's all about money. You cannot be a poor sailor in Marseille. I'm so drained. I just want this boat. I want a boat. I want some help. It'd be great if I just had some help. This is why I wish I wasn't doing dry January. I'd so love a drink right now. But I'll get there and I'll do it because my dad's taught me to be resilient. I'm going to smash it. I'm not going to let anyone down. I'm going to do this because it's difficult. It's not impossible. Wish me luck.
When I bash my head against the wall of convention, the blood I taste is everyone's. I made decisions thought unpopular for the stakes. Nobody seems to see. Nobody seems but me. One step forward,
2 steps back. 1 step forward. 2 steps back.
my fears are the fears of children. My heart is as pure as anyone's. And my cries all day, I wipe those tears away. You can't grow healthy in a house of 1 step forward,
2 steps back. 1 step forward. 2 steps back.